and welcome to another episode of I Know How This Works. Today we're going to discuss JavaScript, null, undefined, and undeclared, what they are, what the differences are, and how to tell the difference in your code. But before we get started, I want to say hello and thank you to my sponsors, awesomewebstore.com, where you can find the latest news on technology and tools and tips on how to run and manage your online business. Lots of business automation. That1t.com, where you can find the latest on the freshest graphic tees out there and where you can buy them. And 5-10.club, where you can buy clothing at near wholesale prices in multiples of 5 or 10 in a variety of colors. Now, null, undefined, and undeclared. I know how this works, and I am awefulBrown. Each one of these has a very unique purpose, and you can use these to help you in writing your code. Null is when you actively assign no value to a variable. For A, define or declare the variable, and then you give it a value of null, which is no value. For K, declares the variable, but you see there's no value assigned to it. That is undefined. You're passively giving no value to the variable. And then B, assigned to, you don't declare it, you just assign the value. So that is null, undefined, and undeclared. The way you can tell the difference between the two is, especially null and undefined, if you do an equivalency test with see if they have the same value, you will get true. You see null and undefined both have a value of undefined. But if you look at the type, if you do a strict equivalency test, you see null is not undefined because they are different types. If you do a type of test for a variable that's assigned null, you will get object. The type of null is object, where undefined, the type of undefined is going to be undefined. And with undeclared, the type of will give you the value that it is. For instance, B assigned to will give you number. C assigned the string ASDF will give you string. Every undeclared variable is a global property. It is a global variable. These other two will basically be where they're assigned or where they're declared at, right? So if it's declared inside of a function, it will be a local variable for both of these. A real-world example, and this example I got from watching the video Java Brains, and I'll put a link to that and some other information inside the description. If you're filling out a job application, and on the application it says, what is your middle name? Or there's a box for your middle name. If you don't have a middle name, and you put NA for not applicable, that is null. You're actively saying there is no value for this. Whereas if you just skip it, and you don't see it, and you just ignore it, you're not actively giving it no value. It's passively giving it no value. That would be undefined. So there you go. That is null, undefined, and undeclared. And I know how this works, so that you will too. Thank you to the sponsors, awesomewebstore.com, that1t.com, and 5-10.club. And please subscribe, share, and comment. Let me know how I'm doing, what it is you'd like to know, so that I can show you I know how this works, and then you can too. Until the next episode, I'm awefulBrown.